Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick update on the distribution received on my UMAX ETF, specifically on ULTY as well as MSTY. So let's take a look. So today is the 24th of September. UMAX had just released their latest distributions for the weekly payers as well as the Group D ETFs in this table. So for ULTY, this week they are giving out a total of 0.0921 cents, and that is about 85% distribution yield on the current price of about 5.6. So tomorrow will be the ex-dividend date, which is on the 25th of September, and subsequently the next day, which is 26th of September, it will be the pay date. So I should receive this amount in my brokerage. Next, let's move on to MSTY. I have already rotated some capital from MSTY to MSTR, which is the underlying stock of MSTY, because I am bullish Bitcoin right now. So I want to have the uncapped potential upside for MSTR stock. Therefore, I made a decision to rotate the capital out. So with that being said, MSTY has returned a dividend of $1.01, so 1.0105 to be exact, and that is 85% yield on the share price right now of about 15.7. Let's go over to my Excel sheet or my dividend tracker over here to update. So I've already updated UTY 0.0921. I have 10,300 shares of ULTY, and that will give me the gross amount of $948.63 for this month. And after 30% withholding tax, because I'm a non-US tax resident, I'll be receiving $664 after the distribution tax. ULTY is currently down at about 5.65, and I have a total PNL of about $167, accounting for the unrealized PNL. I've received a total of $6,000.38 for the total distributions, and I'm slightly over the green right now, which is good news. So looking forward to get the continual distributions from here without the NAV erosion. I'll be green all the way. Okay, let's move on to MSTY. MSTY paints a slightly different story. So you can see I have sold some MSTY to rotate capital into MSTR. So these are the total realized loss in terms of USD. And I received a total distributions of about $5,000 and 184. Unrealized profit right now is negative 3.65. So I'm down a total of negative 4,729. So these distributions include the latest distribution that will be getting on this Friday, which is the 26th of September 2025. The distribution per share is about $1.01. I have 700 shares left of MSTY. That will mean a gross distribution amount of $700.07.35 after 30% withholding tax. That will be $495.15. So this would be the total amount of distributions that I'll be getting. If we add up the $495 with the ULTY distribution of $664, I'll get approximately $1,159 for this week. So for STY, I'm thinking of again rotating all capital out into something else, but then realizing the loss of 4.7k losses, which is quite a substantial amount. So this is I'm still currently thinking about it because I have identified other investment opportunities that can give me better returns of 50% and up. So that's something for consideration. As for ULTY, I'm already in a green, so I'm just gonna hold it on for the right long term. So I'm not gonna be selling any more ULTY. In fact, I may be looking to add more ULTY shares in order to lower my average cost down even further. So that's all for today's video, a quick sharing on the distribution updates for my ULTY and MSTY stocks. I hope you guys find this useful, and remember, everything I shared here is not financial advice. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging the markets. With that, I'll end this off and I'll see you guys in the next video.